Hello and welcome to Jim's weekly update. You're receiving this video because you've attended one of my recent live events, and as a follow-up to that I go over each week on where we're going to pull the trigger and on what different system. If what you're about to see doesn't make any sense to you, then you maybe need to go back and watch the recording of the event you attended. Any questions at all, email info@themidaslegacy.com. Here's where we're going to go over the retirement hack system, or the $250,000 thing. And also we're going to look at shorting the housing market, or playing the housing market any way we want to, using ETFs with the remote control riches system. And also, of course, individual stock trades cherry picked from my own selections, where we're going to update, give new picks and so on. So this is a great benefit that comes with the live event you've come with. So make sure though, if you don't know what I'm speaking about, you go back and look, especially the part on execution of any trades, or how to look at the chart that I'm going to be showing you. None of it at all is going to make any sense unless you've watched that. That being said, let's kick off with this week's weekly update. Hello and welcome to another market update after the market closed on the 7th of June 2024. A quick announcement before we get going. It's that time of year again. Look out for the invitation, if you haven't seen it already, where my mentorship opens up, the Money Mentor. So look out for that invitation. It's not going to everyone, it's only going to select people. So if you get one, jump on it. Live event in 2 weeks. It's always an amazing time. There's so much stuff this year that I want to tell you, and there's so much I need to tell you. It's a really critical time in world history, actually. And that also creates lots of opportunities, as well as things you need to know to protect yourself. So let's get going on this week then. This is a bull market, and my system said as much way back there. It didn't stop going up ever since, apart from this little blip then, which we made money from. We shorted it there, and it keeps on going. The signal that said to buy triple what the S&P 500 does was triggered down there, and we don't sell it again until I tell you to, until it comes below the 70-week moving average. So that's the big picture view, and it's an important thing to know, because all the other stock trades, everything's going to go with the tide of the market. And then we can see in the short term there, this market just wants to keep chugging along. It really is proving very resilient, doesn't want to go down much at all. But we're waiting for that next one, the big next shoe to drop, another sharp correction, maybe over summer, that should provide some good profits there. So make sure that, another thing is, if you're this video you're watching now is set to expire after a certain period of time. So that's another reason why you need to attend the live event in a couple of weeks' time to renew that, so you can keep seeing these all important videos every week. All the other indexes are agreeing. There's the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, all going well. Our individual stock trades have been going very resilient again. I had some great profits here. This one bumped up there. I've got another couple for you this week I'm looking at. Let's look at CSPI. This is a buy between about 13.05 and 14.05 with a stop loss around 12. And PCAR, this is a buy around 104 between 106 with a stop loss that's about, call it 100. Real estate still chugging down. Remember, it's a slow moving bet we made there against real estate, and it's right on schedule according to the 8-year cycle. So it's pretty much a sure thing that is unfolding nicely. There it is, going right back to 2008, the financial crisis, and now there's the boom, and ACE just rolling over again. So classic action there. Regarding the shadow dollar, remember that is using ETFs of cryptocurrencies, not cryptocurrencies themselves, ETFs. Let's look at Bitcoin. And again, I said to buy this down here and went straight up, and it's just chugging along sideways here. We could still see that correction here, which I'm looking forward to make money from when it comes down here, especially if it gets below that line there. But the big star of the show with the shadow dollar trade was Ethereum. Just a few weeks back I said to buy it around here, and it's shot up ever since, and holding nicely up at these high levels here. So I'm looking forward for more of that one, both again from the upside and the downside. So that's all for now. I will speak to you next week.